Hey, happy Father's Day everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. Today's video is going to be a new wood carve sign with the router. I'm laminating up some wood slats to get the width and size that I need. So let me get that all cut up and glued up, and hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be right back. Alright, so as you see here, I have the boards laminated, the board sanded down, 4 pieces glued together, and I have my design printed out, and I have these markings here for my edge I'm going to put. So now I'm just going to cut the outside line with the table saw, and then I'll glue this on here, and we'll start with the routing. Right now we're going to put a 3/8 round over on the edge. Alright, so I did the round over, so now I'm going to do some spray adhesive of the design, line it up with my markings. So I'm going to use this 3M Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive. I'll put a link in the description below, or Amazon link, along with some other my bits and routers and the orbital sander. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the SC50. It's the 1/4 inch shank for the router, using the Makita compact router, the RT0701C. Right there. Let's get this put in there. I kind of just want to use it for the tight spots. The circle here. And then these letters. Alright, 1/8 inch depth. Let's get on safety gear. Alright, so now I have put in the profile bit at about 1/8 of an inch depth. Alright, so I'm going to go a little bit deeper now with the profile bit. Make these lines a little bit wider to give me some room to do the background. So that's a 1/4 inch deep. Alright, so all the lines are carved in. Now I'm going to move on to the spiral upcut by Amana. It's the Amana tool right here. Put it in the router at about an 1/8 inch depth. Alright, and I'll be using this for the background. Gotta carefully get in between these, gotta be careful not to nick the letters. I'm gonna do all the white here and the inside, this part here. Okay, and let's get to it. Alright, so I increased the depth to about 1/4 inch. And I'll just go more on the background. It's coming out very nice. Alright, so you can see that I'm just going a little more deeper with the background. So let me finish the rest of it up and I'll be right back for the next part. Now the router carving is done. So now I'm going to use the heat gun and take off the paper that's left on here. And then I'll do some sanding. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and sand this with 220 and then I'll get into the painting. Alright, so I got some of it sanded down. Now I'm going to put some clear lacquer to kind of seal this all up, and then I'll put some blue color on the edges. Alrighty. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do the edge of the sign, this navy blue. I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm going to use this colonial red and I'm going to spray it all into the background. Now I'm going to sand it out and then leave all that bare, and then put some clear lacquer, and this would be all done. Super Dad. Alright guys, so here it is so far. So I'm going to sand it off and then put a final piece of lacquer on it, and then it'll be all done. So we got a big thunderstorm coming, so I'm just going to go ahead and finish this all off, and then I'll be right back with the finished sign. And please subscribe and like, share, comment. Alright, here we go. The sign's all done. I put these two little blocks on the back and then a little hanger to put on the wall. So love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video of this router carved wood sign of Super Dad. Give me a subscribe. So thanks again, and I'll catch you later.